Good morning. Today we will discuss chapter number 22nd, class 7th GK. So in this chapter we will discuss about days and months. So beta, this is a given about week, and according to the days name: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, in different languages, which name is given to that days that are written here, so that you can, as such, you can learn. But we will discuss now about the months, ki how that name of the months come from, and who or what it meanings, and why. So first month is January. January word comes from Janus, and that means is god of doors, and this month open the year. Second one is February. That comes from February, and it means is purify. And why? This was the Roman months of sacrifices and purification. Next beta, March. March come from Mars, and it means open, because this is a month when trees open their leaves. Next is a beta May. It names come from Maya, and its meaning is goodness of growth. And why? Because this is a month when plant really starts growing. Okay, so next month is June. That comes from Juno, and its meaning goodness of marriage, and this is the month of marriages. Next is July. That names come from Julius Caesar, who was a ruler of Rome, and it's a name of that month come from his name, ruler of Rome. Julius Caesar recognized the calendar and named this month after himself. Next is August. That is also come from the next ruler of the Rome. That name is August. After that Julius Caesar's, August also thought that he was as important as Julius, and he named this month after himself, means according to his name. Next is September. Its meaning is come from septem. That meaning is 7, because it's a 7th month if the counting start from March. Okay, because the March is the first month in Roman years, that start from March. Next is October. That come from octo, and its meaning is 8. That is the 8th month counting from March. Next November. Novum meaning is 9. That come same thing, it's 9th counting month if start from March. Next is December. That meanings come from decim, and it's a 10th month, and if we count it from March. Thank you.